Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by positioning the 8 dart locations on the fabric, because accurate placement controls fit. Mark them clearly with tailor's chalk. Once done, fuse a 1/2 strip of interfacing behind the slit to prevent stretching, and stay stitch 1/8 inch from the slit center to stabilize the edge. Then, cut both layers together, leaving a 1/4 inch notch at each dart point so you can align pieces precisely when you sew the first stitches. Now sew the darts. Fold each dart on the marked lines and base the tip to verify symmetry and fit, because minor errors compound with 8 darts. Next, machine stitch from the widest edge toward the tip, easing fabric so the seam tapers cleanly. Secure the tip with a tiny knot or short backstitch rather than bulk. After stitching every dart, press each seam flat toward the designated direction and clip the seam allowances carefully near any curved slit to allow a smooth turn. To finish, understitch the slit facing and press the opening flat, then top stitch 1/8 inch from the slit edge to hold shape and create a crisp aperture. Trim and grade the seam allowances and reinforce the slit ends with a bar tack or small zigzag to prevent tearing. Test the garment on the body. If you see puckering, repress the darts and ease the surrounding seams, or slightly loosen an adjacent dart by 1/8 inch. This single troubleshooting step usually corrects tension and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.